On today's episode, Keo builds a house. I build a house. And Mindman has technical difficulties. Hello, and welcome to a custom Minecraft pack called Creeping Dark. I'm Nathan R. I'm joined by Mindman. Who is either lagging or doesn't realize that I expected him to respond. And, also Keo.
So,
basically what this is, if you look up in the sky, you'll see a bunch of shit growing in the sky. And, our quest is to cure it. And we cure it by, well, basically visiting all the dimensions and digging into all the mods and, getting all the stuff to unlock the end.
yeah.
That was terribly explained, and that is probably going to be a theme for this playthrough.
Why is this a ring of flowers? Is that natural, or is that...
Well, those of us that have read the documentation for Quark know that this means there's either diamond or emerald right into the middle of it.
Oh shit, really? Oh, there's things spawning. Okay, so,
my man will shortly discover whether or not I'm just trolling him when I said that. Damn it. Blew up before I could. And guess what, we don't have a good enough CD about it.
yeah. Okay, so, I need to get this inventory set up real quick. So, we'll find a small place for us to build our house or something?
Probably, yeah.
Oh, I can't get redstone ore?
Yeah, no, you need... What do you have, a stone pick? You shouldn't be able to.
Oh, never mind. It just didn't have the thing. I don't know. What are you doing? Oh well, I'm gonna go get this. I'm gonna go get some stuff. I'm gonna bring this ore up.
Oh, Mindman is being productive, I see.
That's me.
Oh, that's you. Okay.
I broke my...
I forgot you were also in the mines.
Which is more useful, tin or iron? Or...
iron, probably, at this stage.
Iron.
Yeah, oh, that is one of my catchphrases. Fuck you, gravel. That and fuck you, water. Well, so much for this being a Deathless playthrough. Oh my god, seriously?
I got a lot of stone.
I should have waypointed. I should have waypointed the exit ladder. It's okay. Creepers have been nerfed into the ground in this pack. That would have been a smart thing to do. I'd have done it if I was smart. Ah, we now have a third house. Well, since I am one of those people, I am working on a smeltery. Just so I don't have to waste any more iron ore than we already have.
Are you putting it outside, or where are you putting it? I could probably build a small thing for it.
I might just stick it outside for now. Can always pick it up and move it later. Yes. Oh, awesome. Awesome. I like it. Also, I don't know if it's happening on your screen, but you look like you're just gliding around. Yes, it does. It's Minecraft, don't question it. Fuck it, I'm just gonna put it here for now. I'm going to put it here because I can't be arsed to do anything else right now. Of course, I'm going to put the front of it in front of my house, so it's always right there for me. Because I'm just that sort of person. You know what? You know, that could be a thing. That was. Get ready to say the line. I just tried to put some stuff into a chest, and I missed. So I was putting it into a crafting table instead.
Feel issue.
Thank you. You know, the jokey way to respond to that would be with the toggle downfall, but I'm not going to. We're playing legit, goddammit. It's the Yogscast guarantee.
I missed the Yogscast.
I just went down the ladder, damn you. Could you not have said that, like, 10 seconds sooner? Obviously not.
Sorry for not talking a lot, I'm just going to concentrate on this.
How the fuck did you even? Just... segmentation fault, core dumped, nathanar.exe has stopped responding. See,
I'm an idiot.
if this was the Yogs cast, I would have pushed you into there. Do you have a brick to make the cast?
I have an ingot.
I can. I have a brick.
Okay. What's the time? Oh, I didn't know it actually got rid of it.
Yes, that's why I was trying to save the ingot.
We'll put a chest next to it so we keep our casts.
Yeah. You might even make a memory. Memory is hard. Is 45 too young to start worrying about Alzheimer's? I should clarify. If this was the Yogs cast, I would have pushed you in by now, and then I would have laughed maniacally, and then I would have gotten pushed in by a zombie. I have 2 pissed offs.
It's easy. Okay.
So yeah. We can change modes. I don't know why, but in some packs that I've played, that does not work. A piston will not push the casting table or basin, and I don't know why. I don't know what setting causes it. It just doesn't work on some. On today's episode, 3 people are enraptured by a smeltery.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some stuff so I can make some armor set. 3-point armor set. I think I'll wait for one more.
So none of us have found either copper or lapis by now.
Except you're not having. Oh wait, never mind. I got mixed up.
Well,
well, we just.
Yeah, that was a total challenge accepted moment. Skill issue. What did you do this time? Well, I may have just accidentally donated some material to Kyo.
What?
I climbed up a ladder and started putting my stuff away without checking to make sure I was in my own house first. I was wondering why all my cobblestone was in the organics chest.
Zombie villager. Oh, I'm it.
Almost knocked it into the smeltery, but it wasn't fast enough.
That's what I was trying to do.
You know, I'm reminded of my most MLG moment ever in Minecraft, where I was on a server and talking to somebody, and as they were talking, I noticed that a creeper was starting to sneak up behind them, and I just immediately ran at it, leapt up, and iced it with one shot with the atomic disassembler. Before they even knew that it was coming up behind them.